Hey, I created this video for people like you who are ready to place an order with Young Living, which is amazing because it's a wonderful company that gives us all kinds of plant-based options for our everyday needs. So the reason I wanted to create the video is because you have options, because options are good, and I wanted to make sure that you fully understand those options before you pull the trigger on that order. So you can also definitely go onto the website and place an order for just the products that you want, easy peasy, just like any other store or company. But I also want to take time to explain other options that you have that I feel are more beneficial for my customers in the long run. With those two options, one is purchasing a premium starter kit. Now, we currently have 4 premium starter kits available. We have the essential oil starter kit, which is 12 essential oils and a diffuser. We have the Ningxia starter kit, which is our high antioxidant energy supplement drink, as well as nitros in that package as well. And then there is the CBD starter kit, which provides you with a muscle rub, a calm roller, which smells amazing, as well as the CBD drops. And then there is the Thieves starter kit, which is the Thieves household cleaner, and many of the other popular lines products from the Thieves line that many people use when they start to get rid of the chemical products in their home and swap them out for plant-based products. And then hopefully soon we'll have our Savvy Mineral Kit back. So to order a premium starter kit, you'll be getting up to 61% off that bundle of products, which is point one why it's more beneficial if one of those products are serving your needs. But you also get 24% off all future orders, and you get exclusive member benefits such as education and challenges, promos, and all that just for being a Young Living member with me. Now, if none of those kits serve your purpose and you're not interested in that big bundle that's up to 61% discount, I still have you covered. You can still get started as a Young Living member with our basic starter kit. What that basically means is that for $35, you're gonna get some samples and literature, and then your wholesale membership. And then we'll just throw in the products that do serve your needs at 24% off. And then bonus, if you purchase a premium starter kit or your basic starter kit includes $100 in products, you're gonna get a free essential oil on your first order when you select to do our Essential Rewards program. And that's just our monthly program to help you meet your goals, your wellness goals, whether they're detoxing your home, detoxing your body, whatever those goals are. And we can talk more about that. So how to order. When you're ready to order, no matter what you decide, if you're going to go retail or you're going to do a kit or you're going to do a basic kit and build your own kit, you're going to go to my website, www.lindamaymyers.com. That's LINDAMAYMYERS.com, all one word. And you're going to click on the top right corner for the site menu, and then click place an order. And there you're going to find all the options. You can find out exactly what's in each kit. You can find exactly how much each kit costs. You can find out more information about the amazing Essential Rewards program. But if you have any questions at any time, just reach out. I'll be glad to assist you in becoming a member or just placing an order, whatever suits your needs best. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to sharing this journey with you.